In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a report in Expensify. Let's make sure you have all the details you need to efficiently manage your expenses. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that the process is clear and straightforward. So, whether you're cleaning up your digital workspace or just removing old reports, these instructions will walk you through it all. Start by navigating to your Expensify workspace. This is essentially your command center where you manage all your reports and expenses. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're there, the first step is to click on the Reports tab. You can find this on the left menu of your dashboard. It's your gateway to viewing and managing all your financial reports, so familiarize yourself with it if you're planning on managing your expenses regularly. Next up, click on Expenses. This option will direct you to a detailed list of all the expenses logged in your system. Here, you can deeply delve into individual expense details, but today our focus is on the reports themselves. Ensure you have a clear view of your expenses because you'll need to select the right one for deletion. Now, carefully select the report you wish to delete. This might seem straightforward, but it's always wise to double-check that you're choosing the correct report. You don't want to accidentally remove something important. Hover over your chosen report and double-click to view it, or simply click View. This will expand the report, allowing you to verify details once more. Once you've confirmed that you've selected the right report, look for a drop-down menu labeled More. Clicking this will open up additional options for managing your report. In this menu, you should see an option labeled Delete. Click on Delete. Now, it's crucial to be precise here. The application will prompt you with a confirmation dialog box asking if you really wish to delete the selected report. This is your safeguard against accidental deletions. If you are sure you want to proceed, just click Delete. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're absolutely sure before clicking that button. Finally, head back to Expenses to double-check that your report has been successfully deleted. You should not be able to find the report in your list any longer. It's always a good practice to confirm such changes to maintain an accurate and up-to-date record of your transactions. And there you have it, a complete rundown on how to delete a report in Expensify. Following these steps will help you maintain an organized, clutter-free workspace, making financial management all the more manageable. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting!